Hey, it's Jason and Seth again from Capital Heating and Cooling. And, Capital cares about our community and we really care about our frontline first responders in the community. And we want to say thank you, first of all, because we appreciate all you do. And we have a little something extra that Seth's going to tell you about.
Yeah, listen, I'm a Navy vet and my wife is a nurse. So this strikes home for me, and I understand what it's like to serve your community and know people that serve your community. So anybody that gets an installation with us that works at a hospital or as a police officer, an EMT, a firefighter, all you have to do is show us your badge, and we're going to upgrade you with a free in-home air quality product at no cost, right? Absolutely free. All you need to do is just get an installation with us. We want to take care of you. We understand. I specifically very much understand what a lot of you are going through, and I know if there's any opportunity for me to take care of you, I'm going to do everything I can to do so. So, give us a call, let us know what your needs are, and you can be assured that we're going to do everything, absolutely everything, to take care of you as well as we can. Thank you.